Comper Smarkin is a multifunctional smart facial machine. It integrates the technology of radio frequency, electrical muscle stimulation, LED, and microvibrational therapy. Smarkin enhances the face and reduces wrinkles, acne, fat, and other skin defects in an intelligent way. Due to its large treatment surface, you will feel its efficient operation from each circling massage. Both RF and EMS can be switched to 3 different levels. The LED therapy, ranging from a wavelength of 630 nanometers to 850 nanometers, has many beneficial effects on skin conditions. The mass can maximize the beneficial effects of the cream. Open the Comper Health app and check your skin type, help you create a personalized skincare routine. There are a series of exciting, customizable optional modes available in the app. Default mode provides you with a general skincare plan. Morning mode helps you set a 5-minute time-saving skincare solution. The preset modes for specific skincare purposes. Under the Senior Personalized Care, you will see 4 phases that can be customized. You can select for a simple 15 minutes of mask and LED to amplify the benefits of sheet mask, that also can be a complicated setting for a comprehensive skincare routine. Following the steps as described in the high-quality video, you will get the best guidance and a smooth, hassle-free experience as the video clearly guides you to the correct face areas and gestures as you focus on your face throughout the operation. As the sole smart facial machine in the world, we believe that the Comper Smarkin will bring you the real intellectual skincare experience to manage and improve your skin health in an efficient and seamless way.
Now we realize the responsibility to improve women's health life. With your contribution, Comper will be empowered to grow stronger, to face the Goliaths in health and beauty industry. Thank you for your support.
Hi, I'm Dr. Beto, physical therapist. Let's talk about back pain. Many patients have come to me asking about different devices that claim to treat back pain. Simply put, these devices only offer my patients temporary, short-term relief. Frustrated by all the devices not providing good relief to my patients, I decided to take my knowledge and create a better solution for my patients' back pain. I give you the back pedal, designed to strengthen the correct muscles in the right way, putting our joints back into their preferred position, stabilizing our back and pelvis, finally addressing the underlying causes that lead to back pain.
So really what this is doing is that it's facilitating a muscle energy technique. If you look at Mr. Bones over here, our hip flexors are attached from our femur and up into our pelvis. And so what we're doing when Mike is contracting is that we're starting to pull our pelvis forward by contracting our hip flexors. What's happening on the opposite side of the body is that in our hip extensors, we're starting to rotate our pelvis posteriorly, realigning our SI joints and changing the lumbosacral angle in our spine, really helping to be able to alleviate some pressure and realign those joints in the correct way so we can start to alleviate some of that pain in the back. All right, Mike, we got two more reps to do. Push and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax.
Okay.
Good. How you feeling?
All right. Thank you.
Let's stand up.
Okay.
How are we feeling?
Better than I was when I started.
Well, good. If you use this for 2 weeks, it's really going to start to readjust the SI joint and the pelvis, strengthen those muscles, stabilizing your back, and giving you a lot more benefit.
Wow. Perfect.
Well, thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
When you can't sleep, no one can. And without a full night's rest, you're just not yourself. That's why EverSleep is here to help. EverSleep is a highly specialized sleep tracker that provides sleep lab-like data and powerful customized coaching tips to improve the way you sleep. Whether you struggle with snoring, sleep apnea, restlessness, or even just staying asleep, EverSleep guides you to a more complete and restorative night's rest. Unlike other sleep trackers, EverSleep generates simple-to-understand measurements to help track trends in your sleeping patterns. EverSleep's app stores your data in a personalized sleep profile you can even share with your doctor. It's the affordable option that provides advanced results without the hassle of insurance, prescription visits, or overnight stays. Sleep comfortably with EverSleep.
EverSleep is an affordable home health device that gives the power of a sleep lab in your house that you own and you can use night after night, but more importantly, it gives you actionable coaching.
Rather than go to a sleep lab and find out you don't have sleep apnea and spend thousands of dollars on seeing a doctor and getting the test, we kind of help walk you through that process for a really cost-effective price.
When you use our app, you'll find that while we talk about lots of data points and science and sleep science and the like, we've really tried to take all of the math and embed it into the coaching so that in plain English you get the results.
EverSleep is simple, durable, reliable, and affordable. Everyone should get an EverSleep, and you can do it at geteversleep.com.
Introducing Radotech, a revolutionary new consumer tool that helps you monitor your entire body and sends clinically tested results straight to your smartphone. Unlike other health trackers and wearables that give you only basic readings on the surface like temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate, Radotech allows you to see what's going on beneath the surface so you can take action or preventative measures before small and easy to solve issues become real and possibly dangerous problems. Here's how it works. Radotech tracks the levels of your internal health by measuring the conductivity of the cells in your 12 main vital organs by sending a safe, ultra-low electric current through the main acupuncture points on your body and giving you an accurate snapshot of your health. Our bodies face a lot of challenges, from inactivity, toxins, and processed foods. Even if you are living a healthy lifestyle by staying active and eating right, you might have underlying health issues that are going unnoticed.
Knowing about your organs is very important. If you don't do your testing on a regular basis, you could end up where I work in palliative care, long before your time. You really need to keep track of your organs and what they're doing.
Radotech gives you accurate, easy-to-read data on each individual organ, sending results straight to your smartphone in seconds. It also works directly with your existing wearable trackers, so you can stay up to date on your health.
As a first-time mom, you tend to worry about a lot of things. The smallest thing, you're calling your doctor or your midwife wondering if everything is okay. So it would be good to have something to kind of keep your mind at ease when it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you don't want to go to the hospital.
Most of us have little knowledge of the status of our health and what affects it day to day. And the reality is that your organ health can deteriorate with little or no symptoms. And without regular checks, these problems may go unnoticed.
Hi, my name is Igor Berlinsky and I'm co-founder of Radotech. The health and well-being of my family is very important to me. After giving a birth to the third of our children, my wife got diagnosed with breast cancer. We went through a very harsh story to recovering her health and getting back to a normal life. That's the reason why I think it's very important to monitor the health and be able to track out any changes early once they happen before it creates a real problem.
With Radotech, you can monitor your vital organs daily to be equipped with the right information to bring to your medical professional.
I'd love to have a sensor if that was at home, and I'm just, especially something that I can, I could do it at my own time. That would be fantastic. Yeah.
Radotech will help you discover what's happening in your organs and internal systems and give real-time data to help you catch potential health concerns before they become full-fledged issues. It's a fast, easy, and a safe way to track your health. If you or anyone you know are concerned about your health, please choose a package below and start tracking your health with Radotech.
Thank you for your support. With your help, we will make Radotech available to everyone around the world.
This thing has over 5 years of development, 16 US patents, thousands of thrilled beta testers, and one common reaction.
That is so weird. That's so weird.
That's like super weird.
It's kind of weird.
This is a little weird. That's weird. That's so cool.
That's crazy.
That
is wild.
That's nuts. I feel like I can jump right now. I just tore this ACL.
Let's rewind real quick. One thing we all share on this planet is pain. Let me show you. This dude, trumpet elbow. This hombre, saddle sore. These kids all have headaches, except for this kid. He's fine. You know why no one smiles in old photos? They were all in pain. And sooner or later, we'll all experience it too. Young old, athletic. It doesn't matter. I'm Bart, by the way, 48, 20-year husband, 3-kid dad, and I'm a coach. I know a little something about pain. The pain seems like one of those constants in life. But how did we get to 2019 with just this stuff? We can do better. And a few of my friends have done better. This is Kylo, and it's the future of pain relief. Kylo is different than anything you've seen before because it's the world's first nanotech developed specifically for relieving pain. Unlike other products, Kylo contains zero medication. Instead of adding something into your body, Kylo uses billions of charged nanocapacitors that work like a bioantenna. Kylo supports your body's natural ability to relieve its own pain. You simply place Kylo on your body between your brain and the pain. And within seconds, you'll experience relief.
It actually feels a lot better.
By the way, it really works. For me, my family, my players too. I could go on. But let me show you some stoked Kylo users.
So I have really bad knees from running for years and years. It's like in the back of my knee, like on the inside.
So if you were to rate it on like 1 to 10, where would you put it?
Probably like a 7.5 right now.
So it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it right here.
Is it supposed to tingle?
It can. Some people will feel it.
Okay, yeah. I feel it warming up.
So your pain was at, what'd you say, a 7, 6.5, 7? Is it any different now? Is it still the same?
Sounds like witchcraft. It's probably around a 4 to 3.5.
I want to see if we can get it even lower than the 3 and 4.
This is better.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's probably at a 2. This is freaky. So weird.
Oh my gosh. It's like gone. It's way better.
Good.
I can't believe that. What is this?
Okay, hold on. I would say it's drastically decreased the pain level.
Huh. It's kind of weird. This would have been nice to have this morning when I was cleaning.
It is weird. I don't feel it now, so I don't know.
Oh, wow. That's nuts. I feel like I can jump right now. I just tore this ACL. That's awesome.
That's so weird. I immediately feel my hands not hurting anymore. So weird. Yeah. That's cool. That's crazy.
I'll be darned. Look at that. Before, I would get up and go, okay, let's see if I can walk for a minute. And getting up like this, I mean, it's like, wow, that it's not there. It is not there.
Hey Indiegogo, I'm Stuart, founder of Kylo. We want to bring this incredible technology to market in a big way, and we need your help. We've already contracted with the manufacturer. We've produced a small initial run of Kylos, so we know everything is ready to go. Now we just need to push from this community to go into full production and get this amazing product into the market. There are billions of people with pain, and we want to help as many as we can.
Kylo is legit, my friends. We've really seen some amazing results. I hope you back Kylo today and experience the future of pain relief.